Hi guys, good afternoon. So another day, another success stories again. Na-receive po natin yung work permit ni Miss Ruth Sanggalang. And ma'am, can you tell us your experience in Trinity? Ito.
First of all, I want to thanks God. At pangalawa kay Miss Rachel na talagang nagtiyaga. At today, nang tinawagan niya ako, ang opportunity talagang unexpected. So, nag-wait ako ng almost, parang kulang-kulang almost 3 months. So, I really thanks to this company, Trinity, sa pag-aasikaso, lalo na kay Miss Rachel, sa kanyang patient na pag-explain, na minsan I feel irritated to her also. So, thanks God and thanks on this company, especially to Miss Rachel.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you so much. So,